For the two shafts connected in parallel and subjected to twisting moment, the angle of twist of each shaft will be same. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is yes. For a shaft, the shear stress at a point is the distance from the axis of the shaft. A equal to B directly proportional to C inversely proportional to D. The correct answer is directly proportional to. A spring used to absorb shocks and vibrations is A conical spring, B torsion spring, C leaf spring, D disc spring. The correct answer is leaf spring. The shear stress at the center of a circular shaft under torsion is A 0, B minimum, C maximum, D infinity. The correct answer is 0. At the neutral axis of a beam, the shear stress is A 0, B minimum, C maximum, D infinity. The correct answer is maximum. The actual neutral axis of a reinforced cement concrete beam is based on the principle that the moment of areas of compression and tension zones at the neutral axis are equal. A agree, B disagree, C D. The correct answer is agree. A cantilever beam is one which is A fixed at both ends, B fixed at one end and free at the other end, C supported at its ends, D supported on more than two supports. The correct answer is fixed at one end and free at the other end. The neutral axis of a transverse section of a beam passes through the center of gravity of the section and is A in the vertical plane, B in the horizontal plane, C in the same plane in which the beam bends, D at right angle to the plane in which the beam bends. The correct answer is at right angle to the plane in which the beam bends. A pressure vessel is said to be a thick shell when A. It is made of thick sheets, B. The internal pressure is very high, C. The ratio of wall thickness of the vessel to its diameter is less than 1/10, D. The ratio of wall thickness of the vessel to its diameter is greater than 1/10. The correct answer is the ratio of wall thickness of the vessel to its diameter is greater than 1/10. A steel bar 2 m long, 20 mm wide and 10 mm thick is subjected to a pull of 2 kN. If the same bar is subjected to a push of 2 kN, the Poisson's ratio of the bar in tension will be the Poisson's ratio for the bar in compression. A equal to B less than, C greater than, D. The correct answer is equal to. A square beam and a circular beam have the same length, same allowable stress and the same bending moment. The ratio of weights of the square beam to the circular beam is A12, B1, C1 1.12, D12. The correct answer is 1.12. A thin cylindrical shell of diameter d, length L and thickness T is subjected to an internal pressure P. The hoop stress in the shell is A PdT, B PD2T, C PD4T, D PD6T. The correct answer is PD2T. When a body is subjected to a direct tensile stress in one plane, then tangential or shear stress on an oblique section of the body inclined at an angle to the normal of the section is A sin 2, B cos 2, C 2 sin 2, D 2 cos 2. The correct answer is 2 sin 2. The distance between the center of a rivet hole to the nearest edge of plate is called A margin, B pitch, C back pitch, D diagonal pitch. The correct answer is margin. A localized compressive stress at the area of contact between two members is known as A tensile stress, B. Bending stress. C. Crushing stress. D. Shear stress. The correct answer is crushing stress. Two closely coiled helical springs A and B are equal in all respects, but the number of turns of spring A is double that of spring B. The stiffness of spring A will be that of spring B. A 1/16, B 1/8, C 1/4, D 1/2. The correct answer is 1/2. In a tensile test, when the material is stressed beyond elastic limit, the tensile strain as compared to the stress A decreases slowly, B increases slowly, C decreases more quickly, D increases more quickly. The correct answer is increases more quickly. Poisson's ratio is the ratio of linear strain to the volumetric strain. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. A section of beam is said to be in pure bending if it is subjected to A. Constant bending moment and constant shear force, B. Constant shear force and zero bending moment, C. Constant bending moment and zero shear force, D. None of the above. The correct answer is constant bending moment and zero shear force. When a body is subjected to two equal and opposite forces acting tangentially across the resisting section, as a result of which the body tends to shear off across the section, the stress and strain induced is A. Tensile stress tensile strain, B. Compressive stress compressive strain, C. Shear stress tensile strain, D. Shear stress shear strain. The correct answer is shear stress shear strain. In the below figure, the plastic range occurs A. Before point A, B. Beyond point A, C. Between points A and D, D. Between points D and E. The correct answer is beyond point A. The perpendicular distance between the center lines of the successive rows is called pitch. A. Agree, B. Disagree, C, D. The correct answer is disagree. The values of equivalent length L and actual length L of a column for both ends hinged is the same. A. Yes, B. No, C, D. The correct answer is yes. The planes which carry no shear stress are known as principal planes. A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is true. The stiffness of a closely coiled helical spring is proportional to number of turns. A. Directly, B. Inversely, C, D. The correct answer is inversely. The maximum bending moment of a simply supported beam of span L and carrying a point load W at the center of beam is A. WL4, B. WL2, C. WL, D. WL24. The correct answer is WL4. A column of length L with both ends fixed may be considered as equivalent to a column of length with one end fixed and the other end free. A. L8, B. L4, C. L2, D. L. The correct answer is L4. For biaxial stress, the planes of maximum shear are at right angles to each other and are inclined at 45 to the principal planes. A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is true. The state of stress at a point in a loaded member is shown in the below figure. The magnitude of maximum shear stress is A. 10 MPa, B. 30 MPa, C. 50 MPa, D. 100 MPa. The correct answer is 50 MPa. The maximum shear stress in a thin spherical shell subjected to an internal pressure P is 0. A. Yes, B. No, C, D. The correct answer is yes. The assumption generally made in the theory of simple bending is that A. The beam material is perfectly homogeneous and isotropic. B. The beam material is stressed within its elastic limit. C. The plane sections before bending remain plane after bending. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The shear force of a cantilever beam of length L carrying a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length is at the fixed end. A. 0. B. WL4. C. WL2. D. WL. The correct answer is WL. In the below figure, stress is proportional to strain for the portion A from O to A, B from A to C, C from A to D, D from D to E. The correct answer is from O to A. The product of Young's modulus E and moment of inertia I is known as A. Modulus of rigidity, B. Bulk modulus, C. Flexural rigidity, D. Torsional rigidity. The correct answer is flexural rigidity. The relation between equivalent length L and actual length L of a column for both ends fixed is A. LL2, B. LL2, C. LL, D. L2L. The correct answer is LL2. The ratio of maximum shear stress developed in a rectangular beam and a circular beam of the same cross-sectional area is A. 2:3, B. 3:4, C. 1, D. 9:8. The correct answer is 9:8. Transverse fillet welds are designed for A. Tensile strength, B. Compressive strength, C. Shear strength, D. Bending strength. The correct answer is tensile strength. A beam of triangular section is placed with its base horizontal. The maximum shear stress occurs at A. Apex of the triangle, B. Mid of the height, C. Center of gravity of the triangle, D. Base of the triangle. The correct answer is mid of the height. When a body is subjected to a direct tensile stress in one plane, then normal stress on an oblique section of the body inclined at an angle to the normal of the section is A. Cos, B. Cos 2, C. Sin, D. Sin 2. The correct answer is Cos 2. The columns whose slenderness ratio is less than 80 are known as A. Short columns, B. Long columns, C. Weak columns, D. Medium columns. The correct answer is short columns. The equivalent length of a given column with given end conditions is the length of an equivalent column of the same material and cross-section with hinged ends and having the value of crippling load equal to that of the given column. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Within elastic limit, shear stress is shear strain. A. Equal to, B. Less than, C. Directly proportional to, D. Inversely proportional to. The correct answer is directly proportional to. Modular ratio of the two materials is the ratio of A. Linear stress to linear strain, B. Shear stress to shear strain, C. Their modulus of elasticities, D. Their modulus of rigidities. The correct answer is their modulus of elasticities. The hoop stress in a thick cylindrical shell is maximum at the inner radius. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The bending moment at the free end of a cantilever beam is A. 0, B. Minimum, C. Maximum, D. The correct answer is 0. If there is a fall in the temperature of a composite body, then a member having greater coefficient of linear expansion will be subjected to compressive stress. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. The lower layer of the beam as shown in the below figure will be A. In tension. B. In compression. C. Neither in tension nor in compression. D. The correct answer is in tension.